Gonna take a peek at them. It's been about an hour and 45 minutes. Fire Butler's chugging along. It's been between 260 and 280. Beautiful. Gonna check the temp here in a minute, but man, they got some unbelievable color. All them drippings are just sizzling when they're hitting the pan there. Sweet. I don't know if this camera's picking up that sound, but the drippings are falling into the pan below it. Like I said, this is all indirect, fairly high heat, higher than I would normally smoke, between 260 and 280.